Abdullah ibn Abbas was a friend of the Prophet, who was the cousin of the Prophet Muhammad. One day, when he was still a teenager, he saw the Prophet praying for rain. Then it rained so hard that Ibn Abbas and the other people around him were drenched. However, he saw that the Prophet remained dry and not wet in the slightest. He then asked the Prophet about this, and the Prophet replied, "O my son, if you want to know the secret, then know that the prayers of the Prophet that are answered by Allah will not be in vain."